Hey guys, happy Monday. Welcome to my CVS haul this week. We're gonna keep the intro super short today because we have so many incredible deals to grab in store. I'm also gonna share with you an incredible scenario using this instant coupon that everyone got this week. We are gonna be grabbing $61 worth of hair care products. Final cost is gonna be a little over $13.80 for all of it, which is incredible. So stay tuned, I'll share with you guys all the deals, how to do it, the whole 9 yards in this video. As always, there is a printable breakdown below in the description box with everything detailed out. So make sure you take a breakdown in the store with you. I'm telling you, it's gonna make your haul so much easier and so much less stressful. So just click File, make a copy. You can edit the breakdown for whatever deals that you're gonna be doing. And if you're new, take a second, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a part of the channel. Let's pop in and start snagging these deals. Now let's put together an incredible scenario to grab tons of hair care using the promotion for this week. So this week, everyone got the instant coupon for $15 off a $60 purchase. So that is a purchase-based CRT. So therefore, you cannot combine it with any other purchase-based CRTs unless you add up the amount. So let me explain what that means. If you have $60 worth of products, you're using the 15 off 60. You would not be able to also use like a 3 off 15 Garnier or a 4 off 14 Herbal Essences in the same transaction unless, say you're adding the 4 off 14, you would now have to spend $60 plus $14 to be able to use both spend amount CRTs. Okay, so bear with me, let's get started. First thing I would grab is 2 of the Herbal Essences, clip the $4 off 2 digital coupon. These are also buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. Then I would grab 2 Garnier Fruit Teas. So you could use the 3 off 2 printable coupon from coupons.com. It'll probably also glitch with the 3 off 2 digital coupon. Then grab 2 of these Monday hair care shampoo and conditioner. They're buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get a $4 extra buck and clip the 3 off 2 digital coupon. We're also gonna grab 2 Dove that are buy 1, get 1 half off. You can check your Dove.com emails for a $1.50 off 1. Use 2 coupons, that'll save you $3. And we're also gonna grab 2 Tresemme that are buy 1, get 1 30% off and clip the 4 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon. The last thing we're gonna grab is 4 of these hair masks. These are 2 for $4, and when you spend 8, you'll get a $2 extra buck. So grab any 4. I am just gonna grab a bunch of different ones. Okay, let's go over this incredible hair care scenario. Now, all of these have to be done in the same transaction. That way you can use the $15 off 60 instant coupon we all got this week. So total for all of these products is gonna be $61.80. Minus all the coupons and that CRT, that's $35 worth. You'll pay $26.80 plus taxes out of pocket, but then you're gonna get back a $4 extra buck for the Monday. You're gonna get back a $5 extra buck for the Herbal Essences, a $2 extra buck for the Garnier, and a $2 extra buck for the masks. Makes your final cost $13.80 for all 14 products, making them about 97 cents a piece. That is an incredible deal. Let me know in the comments how you choose to do this, if there's any other really good deals that I missed. That way we can make sure we're all putting together scenarios that work best for us. Okay, now let's get into the next deal. Another digital deal, if you need some bug repellent and spray, they are buy 1, get 1 half off, spend 20, get a $5 extra buck. So a deal I just put together, you can grab 2 of these STEM products. They're buy 1, get 1 half off. And you're gonna submit to the coupons app for $7.50 back on 2. Then to get over the $20 mark, you can grab one of these little sprays for $6.49. So for the 3 products, that'll bring you to about $22.22. Stay there. Okay, $22.22. So you'll pay that out of pocket. You can pay with extra bucks. You'll get $7.50 cash back from the coupons app, plus a $5 extra buck back. Makes your final cost $3.24 a piece, so that's a really good deal. If you need razors this week, there's an amazing deal on men's disposable Schick razors. They are spend $15, get a $5 extra buck and they're on sale for $6.99. Now, I would grab 3 of these green ones because I scanned all of these, and this $4 off one digital coupon only shows up that it's attaching to this one here. You want to make sure you don't have any issues at checkout, so may as well grab that. Then you can use either 2 of these printable coupons from coupons.com, the website, or you can print one and submit the 3rd product to the coupons.com app for another $4 back. So whichever way you want to do it, completely up to you. You'll pay $8.97 out of pocket, get back a $5 extra buck, makes it $3.97 for 3 of them, or $1.33 each. Now check your account, see if you have any kind of shave CRT or Chic men's razor CRT. That could make it free or a possible moneymaker. I haven't had any of those CRTs in quite a while, unfortunately, so the final cost would be $1.33 for me. I don't need any razors, so I'm actually going to pass on this, but it is still a really good deal if you need the product. So now let's put together the PG deal. Now my store still does not carry that Downy rinse, that new product from Downy that I've been dying to try, so I'm so sad that they don't have it, but I'm gonna have to switch up my deal. In the printable breakdown, there is a scenario including that Downy rinse. Your final cost is $1.74 a piece, which is incredible. So I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. What I'm gonna do is grab a small Gain liquid for $5.49, clip the $1 off one digital coupon. Then I'm gonna grab a small Tide Pods for $5.49, clip the $1 off one digital coupon. The last product I'm gonna grab is a large Tide liquid for $12.99, clip the $3 off one digital coupon. Now, if you don't want this, or if you don't have the digital, you can grab the large Tide Pods instead and clip the $3 off one digital. There's tons of variations you can do. Just see what kind of coupons that you have. So let's go over the totals for this deal. So these are the 4 products that I'm grabbing. Total is $29.46. My store follows the 98% rule. If your store does not follow that, meaning you have to have 98% of the spend amount met to get the extra buck back. If your store does not follow that, they have products that are $6.99. So switch out one of these for a product that is $6.99. That'll put you over $30, then you'll be good to go. We have $6 in coupons. We have $, and $3. We'll pay $23.46, but then we're gonna get back a $10 extra back. Makes it $13.46 for 4 products, or $3.36 a piece. I think that's a really good deal, especially because we're grabbing a huge Tide. And don't forget, you can always submit your receipt for PG products to the PG Rewards website. You'll get points back for each PG product that you buy. You can exchange those points for gift cards. So if you're gonna be buying the products anyway, you may as well do that. You can click the card in the top right-hand corner to sign up for that program. It's completely free. Now we have an all digital moneymaker deal on CoverGirl. So this week they are buy 2, get a $5 extra back. So what we're gonna do is grab one of these Perfect Blend pencils here. They are $4.49 and clip the $4 off one digital coupon. The next one we're gonna grab is this concealer here for $7.29, and we have another $4 digital, and everyone got this $4 instant coupon this week. That's gonna leave you to pay just 28 cents out of pocket, but for buying 2 products, we're gonna get a $5 extra buck. Makes them both free and like a $4.72 moneymaker. The first deal I'm gonna grab is on Dove hand soap. So they are buy 1, get 1 half off. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. A few weeks ago, I got these $1.50 off 1 coupons from the Dove emails. So always check the email that you register for the dove.com emails to come through. Sometimes we get really good coupons. So I'm gonna use 2 of these. The limit is 2. That'll save me $3. So I'm gonna wind up paying $4.48 out of pocket. But we're gonna get back a $3 extra buck. Makes it $1.48 for 2, or 74 cents a piece. And like always, we're gonna scan our receipt to Fetch Rewards, see if we can get any bonus points. The next deal I'm gonna grab is one of these L'Oreal toners. I've been using it recently and I really like it. Smells amazing. Now it is part of this promotion, but I didn't print the $5 coupons before they got taken down from the coupons website. So I'm only gonna grab one at $7.29, and we can submit to the coupons app for $5 cash back. Now, the other reason why I'm grabbing this is because I'm using a 7 off 70 purchase CRT for this transaction. So I need as many great deals as possible so that way I can get up to the $70 mark. Another super easy deal anyone can do is on Oral-B toothbrushes. Now, there are some different promotions going on, but we're not going to be doing those because we're going to be grabbing this Healthy Clean. It's only $1.39, so we're going to grab 4 of them. That'll bring us to about $5 and I think 46 cents, but it works with this $5 off 3 digital coupon. Makes your final cost 46 cents for 4 toothbrushes, which is an incredible deal. Another deal you can do using that 5 off 3 digital. So remember, all digital coupons are use of 1. So you can either do the Healthy Clean way, or if you need mouthwash, you can stock up this week. So they are spend 10, get a $4 extra buck, limit is 2. So if you spend 20, you'll get back an $8 extra buck. So what you can do is grab 2 of these for $6.59 and 1 of these for $8.29. That'll bring you to $21.47. Use the 5 off 3 digital, and if you have a 3 off 18 Crest or Oral-B digital, it'll work on this as well. You'll pay $13.47, get back an $8 extra buck, makes them $1.82 a piece, which I still think is a really good deal for mouthwash, especially the more expensive kinds that are $8.29. Okay, we're back home from CVS. I usually film this in the car, but I have so many calls and stuff booked today. And we are finally getting our house painted, so I had to be able to come home to handle that. But I want to go over the receipts and how incredible this haul was. I broke it up into 2 transactions. So my first transaction, I used the 7 off 70. The second transaction, I did all of those hair care deals. And when I went to CVS this morning, the hair care deal was not even on my breakdown. Like, I wasn't even planning on doing it. But then I started seeing the deals and putting it together while I was in store. And I was like, for 96 cents a piece, like, I cannot pass that up. That's such a great deal. So I wound up adding it to my entire breakdown. So let's go over the receipts. Sorry, I'm like kind of scatterbrained today. And the dogs are going nuts because they keep seeing the guys go back and forth in the house from painting it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I did 2 transactions. Everything worked out great. Everything came off. So let me share them with you. My first transaction okay, and then we'll go over the final cost. Oh my goodness. So this transaction was everything other than the hair care. So the Tide deal, the Downy Gain, the Dove hand wash, the CoverGirl deal, then that L'Oreal, whatever this is, I can't read it. Okay. Oh, the Oral-B, yes. Okay, so these are the Dove coupons. Here's the oral care coupon. The 2 CoverGirl digitals, the Tide, Olay, which is for the Old Spice. The Downy, the Gain, 7 off 70, $4 off CoverGirl was the instant coupon this week. These are all extra bucks from last week. Paid $2.58 plus taxes, but then submitted to the coupons app for $5 cash back on the L'Oreal, and submitted to Ibotta for $6.10 back on the Old Spice body wash. So I paid $7.39, got back $11.10. So I made money on this transaction. Okay, my second transaction is the hair care transaction. Why is this so low today? Let me see. Can I pull it up a little bit? There we go. Okay. And the guys are like right behind the window, so they're just like watching me videotape this. So awkward. Okay, so here's all of the hair care. Here are the coupons that I used. 3 off 2 for the Dove, $3 for the Garnier. Trust-A-Made Digital, Herbal Essences Digital. Garnier did Glitch, the Monday Digital. 15 off 60 CRT instant coupon. These are extra bucks from the first transaction. Paid $6.20 plus taxes. I paid $10.63 out of pocket for $61 worth of products, which is incredible. So my final cost for today, let me calculate it real quick. Okay, so my final cash cost, how much came out of my bank account? $6.92. And this is the biggest haul that I've grabbed in probably 2 months, $137 worth of products. If you have any questions or anything, make sure you drop them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, definitely smash that like button. And whatever other hair care deals that you find for that 15 off 60, please put them in the comments. That way I can put together some additional scenarios for everyone. Make sure that you're grabbing the hair care product that you need. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.